Hi guys, Stu here from 3B. Now, a lot of you know that I've had some things to say about Sophia the robot from Hanson Robotics, about my belief, and not just mine but many other people's beliefs, that Hanson Robotics Sophia robot is indeed a fake, and that it's just there to fuel the money machine for a particular individual called Ben Goertzel. But here in this video we see Will Smith talking as it is on a date with Sophia the robot, and once again it feels kind of a little bit scripted. A lot of the interactions don't feel they're just beyond what artificial intelligence is where it is right now, and what we've seen in other videos and what we've seen from Hanson Robotics in the past. It's more about them pushing the robotics aspect rather than the fact that there's any sort of real artificial intelligence there. I did note a few things that I thought were quite telling, and this is kind of a bit of a coup for Hanson Robotics to get Will Smith to do this, and I'm not too sure how they managed to do it, but I suppose, you know, Will Smith is looking at things that what are popular on Netflix and how he can interact with them, and this is kind of a good fit with that. But one of the things I did note is that the person controlling the speech behind Sophia the robot managed to get managed to get the comment about the Singularity .net or Singularity Net blockchain ICO in there. I thought that was very telling and very interesting. So it seems that they kind of really want to push that. It's also kind of telling that you know, it's just not very good, is it? You know, you would think that there would be some more interaction, better interaction than what they're showing. This is the best of that. It is just more a robot than anything artificial, you know, in terms of artificial intelligence. It just really bewilders me how people can still believe that this is anything real, anything solid, anything true, and even experts in the field are saying that this is just a load of bullshit. And I think people have to steer clear of being too involved with someone or this sort of kind of promotion of something that isn't that genuine. There's a real sort of sense of it being it's basically being disingenuous. So whether this is a smart move for Will Smith, maybe later down the line he'll just say, well, you know, I was doing this skit, which is fine, and it was pretty funny. He made it quite funny, but yeah, you know, the more and more I see of this machine being rolled out, then the more I cringe as to how awful it is. And there's no real advancement there. If you've seen my other videos, and if you've seen other people's videos, and if you've seen the documentary The Machine of Human Dreams, you will understand that this is just a load of nonsense, and that there isn't a lot. It's all theory, it's all dressed up, and there's not a lot of actual real ability there. So let me know what you think. Do you think Will Smith is wise to do the video? It was funny, I enjoyed it. You know, it doesn't really matter either way, does it, that he did it or not? Do you think that he believes that what he's interacting with is real? He did do a little bit after the video where he was saying about Hanson Robotics being at the sort of the leading edge, the bleeding edge of artificial intelligence. I wonder, you know, that felt like he was told to say that, so it seems odd that he would say something like that so openly on his own channel. So it just makes you wonder why he would do that, because it seemed like it was something that a company would give someone to say, rather than him saying that himself. Yeah, so let me know your thoughts. There's my other fake video you can see there, where I go on about how fake Hanson is, and the robot Sophia. It's getting a lot of views, 250,000. So yeah, what do you guys think? Is this still nonsense? Do you think, I know an awful lot of people think I'm full of crap, which is fine. You're entitled to your opinion, and I don't care that much. You know, you're entitled to yours as much as I'm entitled to mine. But I believe that this is a load of crap. That Sophia is a load of crap. We will see. We will see in years to come. And if I'm wrong, maybe I can sit down with Sophia and see for myself. That's what I would really, really like. I would love to sit down with Sophia and just ask her direct questions and see how she's connected, and do all that. I would love that. I would love that. But Hanson would never let me do that, would they? Would they? Wouldn't they?